In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create transparent backgrounds in Canva, step by step. Whether you're designing logos, product images, or social media graphics, knowing how to make clean, transparent backgrounds will take your designs to the next level. And the best part, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Canva and either create a new project or open one you've already started. From here, upload the image you want to work with, or simply select one from your library. Now, click on the image to bring up the editing options. Look for the Edit Photo button and choose the Background Remover tool. Canva will automatically detect and erase the background for you in just a few seconds. If needed, you can refine the edges with the brush tools to make it perfect. Once your background is gone, you have two options. If you want your entire image to have a transparent background, for example, for a logo or product photo, head over to the top right, click Share, then Download. Be sure to choose PNG as the file type and tick the box that says Transparent Background. This ensures your file stays clean with no unwanted white or colored backdrop. But let's say you want to adjust the transparency of an element instead of removing the whole background. Select the element, then look for the little checkerboard icon at the top right. That's the transparency slider. Drag it left or right to make your image or shape more see-through, which is perfect for overlays or subtle watermarks, and that's it. With these two simple tools, the background remover and the transparency slider, you can create professional, polished designs that stand out anywhere you use them. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.